Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about CapCut application, and I would like to show you the way how you can make your audio sounds muffled on a CapCut. So here I have no audio yet, and I would like to add the audio first here by adding the voiceover. Let's just go click this audio and click this voiceover, and I would like to record my voice first. How to make audio sounds muffled on the video with CapCut application on mobile phone. So here I already have this audio. Let's just check it before we make it muffled. How to make audio sounds. And now let's just make this audio sounds muffled. So you just need to go click the audio clip, and they'll bring you into this option. You just need to click this video or voice effects, and then you just need to go click this retro and slide this effects into the left side, and then you find the microphone, and you just need to go click the microphone one. How to make audio sounds muffled. Adjusting the strength of the effects for you. If you want to keep it strong, just let this be, and if you want to reduce it, you just need to slide it into the left side. How to make and so on. How to make audio sounds muffled on the video. Check this button, and now you are done. So this is the result. How to make audio sounds muffled. So that's the way how you can make this audio sounds muffled on a CapCut application. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.